Glasses that do more than help you see? Imagine walking down the street and getting turn-by-turn directions right in front of your eyes, or making a hands-free video call without pulling out your phone. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, smart glasses are no longer just a movie prop. They're quietly becoming one of the coolest wearable technologies around. Today, let's break down what smart glasses are, how they actually work, the coolest features available right now, and whether these futuristic shades are really worth wearing. Spoiler alert, they're a lot closer to replacing your smartphone than you think. What are smart glasses? Smart glasses are wearable devices that look like regular eyeglasses, but pack in hidden tech, tiny displays, microphones, cameras, and speakers. Some models are designed for productivity, while others are more focused on entertainment or fitness. Unlike bulky VR headsets that completely block out the world, smart glasses overlay digital information on top of what you're already seeing. This blend of real and digital is called augmented reality, or AR for short. And the beauty is, you can interact with tech without constantly staring at your phone. Features in everyday life. So what can these glasses actually do? Here are a few everyday examples. Navigation. Instead of looking down at your phone, you can see arrows guiding you on the sidewalk or while cycling. Hands-free communication. Make calls, send voice messages, or join video chats, all without touching your phone. Instant translation. Imagine traveling abroad. Smart glasses can translate text on signs or even subtitles for conversations in real time. Photography and video. Some glasses have built-in cameras that let you snap photos or record videos without holding a device. Health and fitness. For athletes, they can display pace, distance, or heart rate stats right in your line of sight. It's like combining a smartphone, a fitness tracker, and a pair of sunglasses, all in one. Current examples. There are already some interesting models on the market. Ray-Ban Stories by Meta. These look like regular Ray-Bans but can take photos, record short videos, and play music through hidden speakers. Real Air glasses, designed for entertainment, letting you watch Netflix or YouTube on what feels like a massive floating screen. Vuzix Blade, popular for business use, especially in warehouses or fieldwork, where workers need hands-free data. And companies like Apple, Samsung, and Google are all rumored to be working on their own versions. The technology is evolving fast, and each generation gets lighter, sleeker, and more affordable. The pros are obvious: hands-free convenience, futuristic features, and the potential to replace multiple devices. But there are some downsides. Battery life is usually short, only a few hours. Privacy is a concern too, since built-in cameras can feel intrusive in public. And of course, early models are pricey, ranging from $300 to over $1,000. Still, if history is any guide, smart glasses will follow the same path as smartphones, starting bulky and expensive, then becoming everyday essentials. So here's the big question. Would you actually wear smart glasses every day if they looked exactly like normal glasses? Or do you think it's still too soon for this tech? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you love discovering the gadgets that are shaping our future. Who knows, maybe in a few years we'll all be watching YouTube videos through our glasses.